Good morning. Today we are going to start Python Pandas. Python Pandas. Pandas is a software library for data analysis. So first we should understand what a software library means. So in real life library, try to imagine the school library. What does it have? A library has many bookshelves, and each bookshelf has books regarding a particular topic. So all the bookshelves you can think of as modules. Okay, inside each bookshelf there will be multiple books. So each book you can think of as a function. So a software library in similar way has multiple modules, and each module will have multiple functions in it. Functions. Let us see what functions are. A function is actually a block of code which performs a particular task. There are mainly three types of functions: built-in functions, functions which are defined inside modules, and user-defined functions. So the built-in functions which you have already used are, some of them are input function to take input from the user, length function to calculate the length of the string. Then there are functions which are defined inside modules. These functions are already written somewhere, and you if you want to use it, you have to first import that particular module inside which it is written. For example, the math function is inside the math module. To use it, you need to first import it. And how do you import a module? You write the statement import and then the name of the module. In this case, the module's name is math, so you will write import math. So math has many functions inside it, such as sqrt. It will help you to find the square root of a number. Ceil, it finds the ceiling of a number. So only once you have imported the math function can you use the only if when you have imported the math module, after that only you can use the functions which are inside it. In the same way, pandas has multiple functions inside it, and these functions are used for data analysis. But before you can use any of these functions, you have to import the pandas library. So how do we import pandas library? Recall how you imported NumPy. To import NumPy, you wrote import NumPy as np. Only the first part is essential. Import NumPy is essential, as is the keyword which makes which gives a new name to NumPy. So instead of writing NumPy each time, you can denote it with np. So same way, if you want to import pandas library, you will write import pandas, and if you write the second part import pandas as pd, so each time all the functions that are inside the pandas, they can be accessed just by writing pd instead of writing the complete. So let us review once again. First, just remember math function. Okay, first you imported the math function by writing import math, and then if you wanted to use sqrt, you wrote math.sqrt. Okay, so first you wrote the module name, then dot, and then the actual function name. So in the same way, in pandas, what you will write is in the same way, if you are writing any function which is inside pandas, first you will write the module name, which is module or library name, which is pd, and then the function. So the first function that we will use is data frame. There is one more function which is known as series. Okay, these two will be used to create the data structure. There are two main data structure which you have to study inside the pandas. What is a data structure? Data structure is used to create is used to store data so that we can easily retrieve it. In SQL, you have created the student table which had, say, age, name, and roll number, and inside we had multiple values. So, in the same way, these two data structures are used to create a table-like structure. Okay, data frame will create a 2D table-like structure, and series will create a 1D table-like structure. 1D structure. In these, we will store data